Today, we'll be highlighting a refining application on a stainless steel weld. We'll be taking down this weld with a 787C 60 grit fiber disc and the new Scotch-Brite Precision Surface Conditioning Disc in the Coarse and Fine Grades to earn a sub-16 RA finish. This is a common application that is seen in metal fabrication accounts, food and beverage, as well as pharmaceutical fabrication. It is common that a weld that needs to be removed or leveled so that the specific finish can be achieved. Depending on a customer's needs, a sequence of process steps are needed to consistently achieve a desired scratch profile. Depending on the size of your weld, you want to choose the correct grade of abrasive. For the largest welds, a 36 plus grit may be required to grind down. The bulk of the welds generally won't require a 36 plus grit. On most stainless steel welds, we suggest using a 60 plus fiber disc or an 80 plus for smaller welds. Today, we'll be using the 3M 787C fiber disc 60 plus to remove the weld, followed by the new Scotch-Brite Precision Coarse grade disc. At this point, the surface is typically a sub-32 RA finish. Finishing up with the Scotch-Brite Precision Fine grade disc, we achieve a sub-16 RA finish. This finish can be achieved by using the Scotch-Brite Precision Coarse or Medium grades after removing the weld. Depending on the previous step used to level and refine, Scotch-Brite Precision Fine and Very Fine grades can be products which can help you achieve a sub-16 RA finish.